Good morning friends. Today in this video you are going to learn how to grow marigold, best variety of marigold through seeds, and this is the chali or flat pot you see, and the soil media here I am telling you non-soil media. One part is vermicompost, one part is cow dung compost, and another part is coco peat. All are equal in proportion, thoroughly dried, and this is the non-soil media. This is the best non-soil media. You can grow seeds here, and for the best variety of marigold seeds, I am choosing Agro seeds. This is the best variety of marigold seeds that flower lasts for longer period. And here I am showing you how to water them, how to water the soil, and you have to water it very judiciously, small amount, and that should reach up to the half portion of this soil mix. And here I am showing you the packet I have bought. This is the Agro seeds packet. This comes in two color, basically yellow or orange, and this is a 1000 seeds packet. They charged me around 1000 rupees or 1200 rupees, and I am tearing it out and showing you the seeds properly. And I will grow all the seeds here because I have a huge garden, so I need thousands of seedlings here from here. And you see this is the seeds here, taking out the seeds and sowing the seeds, and placing the seeds properly and with a proper gap in at least half-inch gap or 1 inch gap between the two seeds you have to place, and you can sprinkle seeds properly. And after proper placing the seeds, you have to cover with the same non-soil media that we have prepared, and I will cover, and then you have to water it again, small amount of water. So in one chalio tray you can grow around 100 to 200 seeds here, because if you grow much more then there may be some crowding effect and they invite you fungal infection. So you have to be very careful. Don't grow much and don't make it much crowded. And after that you have to cover with the same non-soil media that I prepared from cow dung compost, vermicompost and coco peat. This is the non-soil media. Just cover it around 3 to 4 inch 4 millimeter layer, just to cover the seeds here. Only you have to cover the seeds. Don't make it much thick because the germination will be hampered. So this is here I am covered it properly, and after that I will be sprinkle water, little bit of water I have to sprinkle. How I am sprinkling water, just see. If you want you can spray water also. And after proper watering you have to cover it with a newspaper, and if you want you can cover it with a newspaper so that the moisture and temperature is maintained in this soil media. So I am covering with a newspaper. If you want you can cover it with a gunny bag also, but you have to cover it up to 3 days or 4 days. After 3 to 4 days you have to uncover it, and you have to sprinkle every day. You have to uncover it and you have to sprinkle little bit of water, and you have to give proper sunlight. Once they attain 1 inch tall height, then you have to give 1 to 2 hours sunlight is must for growing the seedlings. Friends, this is the after 8 days of sowing the seeds, and you can see the seedlings here, beautiful seedlings. Third and fourth leaves are coming out, and this is they are growing, and you have to water it every day. Friends, this is after 20 days, and you can see the seedling beautiful. In 10 days, after 10 days of sowing the seeds, I have applied fungicide 0.5 ml per liter. I have applied only fungicide and water. Friends, this is after 3 days, 30 days, and you can see the seedlings are growing full grown, around 5 inch tall, and they are little crowded. So I have sowed here around 200 seeds. That's why this is little bit crowding, and I am taking out the seedlings from here with the help of a pen, used pen, so that no roots are broken here. And just see our gardener Montu Ghoda is transplanting the seedlings, and the soil media is a plain soil, plain garden soil, no compost, no fertilizer, nothing else. And you see how to water them, and if the stem is long, then just round it, make it round, and you can place it and water it properly. This is the technique how you can water it. And I am keeping it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, and I will proper sunlight for 1 to 2 hours sunlight, so that the plants can grow. And after around 10 to 15 days you can transplant in 5 inch pot or 8 inch pot And if you want, you can grow one plant or two plant in 8-inch pot. That is a best pot. But most of the plants I am going to grow in garden, because we have a huge garden. So we need big plants here, and they attain around 2 to 3 feet tall, and they flower up to April month. You can get flowers from this Agro, because Inca flowering is a short term, but in this Agro flower, they flower up to March and April. So for a long term time you can get. And just see, I am showing you the how flower looks like, and how our garden look like with this Agro flowers. Friends, this is the flower after 90 days of sowing the seeds, and you can see in the garden we have grown. We have big garden and thousands of plants we have sowed, and you can see the flowers here. Beautiful, good color, these vibrant flowers, and they will stay up to March and April, and you can see our garden. This is last year's video, and we have sowed the seeds. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like with a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.